Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you a clip of project I made on tool management system. Although still, still in production. Wanted to share this out. So you open it, clicking the main.py file because it's like it needs the admin database and that thing. Look at the code later. This is a run through of the code. So now we need to log in. So let's log in as an admin. You need the name, admin. I think the so right here you can't see the password. Okay, so no, make it I've been logged in successfully. Okay, then register. Let's see what we have. So we click 5 and you see the users. Okay, uh, this is their name, password, and if they're a student. Okay, let's continue. So let us let's register a new student. So let's get the name and call it John Doe. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, so it's registering the student and John Doe is registered successfully. So if you check number 5 and ooh, that's log out. So let's log in as admin and a mistake, incorrect password. Okay, invalid. Okay, sorry. One, two, and oof. You know what? Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I've gotten my problem, so get this and add three. All right, finally. Oof. Okay, so check the users. That's 5. Now you could see on added the student. So you can also do an existing student. Let's register a new teacher. Okay, let's register a new teacher and let's say register a new teacher as 3 and oof, wait a minute. So if you check 5, now I made a mistake in that teacher's name and this is just empty. I think so. Now we want to delete it, number 4. So teacher's name is nothing. So teacher's gonna do, yep. So if you run number 5 again, that teacher is not there. So let's log out, okay, and log in as students, see what the student. So that's it. We're logging in as John John Doe. Password is One, two, three, four, five, six. Login successful. Now you could see these are the few things the students can do. Okay, you can see that the students can class can leave class and go and log out. See? So keep going. You can I've not I've not created this functionality of one, two, and three. I'll create them. I'll show you the codes. Show you the code. So about the and it's in Visual Studio Code. See it. Ooh, all right. So working with SQLite. Um, yes, I'm using SQLite 3. At some point, I'm working on changing to MySQL, but for now, it's still SQLite 3. I think it's better since it's locally. So yeah, this is the code. In other videos, because of the codes leading up to this, because of the codes and the other like timeline production, I'll update most of the features like editing, yeah, like editing like details and work on other things. Thank you for guys. Let's log out. Um, stay for our no, no, I'll see you in the next video.